Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the PayPal app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the transfer button below your PayPal balance. Now select Transfer to Bank. Here you will have two options. If you need the money immediately, you can choose the instant transfer option, but PayPal will charge a transfer fee. If you don't want to pay a fee, choose the 1-3 business days option and then tap Transfer to confirm the transfer. This will send the money from your PayPal balance to your linked bank account. Once the money has reached your bank account, open the Cash App and go to the Money screen. Here, tap the Add Cash or Money button. Enter the same amount that you transferred from PayPal and then tap Add. Cash App will transfer the money from your linked bank account into your Cash App balance. After the funds have been added, you can use your Cash App balance to send money, make purchases with your Cash App card, or invest in Bitcoin or stocks. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.